At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. I'm back again with another video. Well, in another one here, a defense lawyer has argued that his client's decision to flee from custody 4 years ago was motivated by dissatisfaction with the way he was being treated. Want to hear that? So, attorney says his client escaped jail because of how he was being treated. The man fed up. The man fed up, so the man just cut. My wisdom warriors. Hey, sometimes you have to take serious things, make joke. No, sir. Hey, the man say, then did I treat him bad? That's why I'm have to cut. That's why I'm have to escape. But, say, in a D's prison, say, they not treat them good. Know that. You always hear prisoner come out and talk. You always hear prisoners say, if they don't have money, then treat them like a shit. If they don't have money. You understand? And them are something I need to stop. Them are something I need to stop. Boy, Jano, the brother say, because the way how them did I treat him bad, the man say him have to cut. The man say him have to escape custody to blouse and skirt. No, sir. The man fed up, my wisdom warriors. Me just can't understand this. Seriously. Me can't understand it. But a whole heap of things are going in the prison there. Whole heap of things are going in the prison them. Whole heap of things. You understand? Government not do nothing. They're not doing nothing. Horace Chan cock up every day asleep. When he do wake up, he come out and chat pure shit. So really and truly, there's no help. Juliet Cockburn thinks that she want national security or something like that. She not do nothing. She's not doing anything. It is just sad. A 48-hour curfew has been imposed in sections of the St. Andrew North Police Division. The curfew begins at 6 p.m. on Friday, December 13, and will remain in effect until 6 p.m. on Sunday, December 15. So, my people, my Jamaican people, I want to know and understand what is going on. You understand? So everybody will come from the St. Andrew area. We watch Atta for the press. The curfew begin at 6 p.m. on Friday and will end December the 15th at 6 p.m. on Sunday. All right? I just make you know what I want. So I tell a friend about this. Because guess what? You know say, you have to reach in on the yard by 6 o'clock the latest. Now make 1 minute past 6 catch on a road. I beg you because puss and dog don't have the same luck. You hear me, my wisdom warriors? Puss and dog don't have the same luck. Remember say a dog eat dog, you know the things that are ready, and we don't trust these police. So I just make sure you know what is going on. So I just reaching on the yard 6 o'clock. That is it. The National Health Fund, NHF, donated an ultrasound machine powered by artificial intelligence to the Fetal Diagnosis and Therapy Unit at the University Hospital of the West Indies, UHWI. My wisdom warriors, Lord Jesus, when I see this, the first thing come to my mind is, I hope they can use it. I hope they can use this when them a bring come. Hey, boy, I don't know what I do. You serious? You really bring AI powered ultrasound machine? And I can tell you about it value 100,000 US. Huh? Wait there. My wisdom warriors, Lord Jesus. You don't know if you use them a type of machine, yeah? I say if you don't know if you use them a type of machine, yeah? If you don't know if you use oxygen. My wisdom warriors, if they don't know how to use oxygen machine And this a machine and them are gonna have to use. Mighty God. I don't believe them are gonna use this, And if uno start use it, appear problem. Me don't see it already. Lord Jesus. A pure wrong diagnosis. I go, hey. I wanna really get to myself in. Where uno really get for yourself in. One thing with Jamaica, them are move fast though. My wisdom warriors, they really are move faster than the first world country. They really are move fast. Them really are move faster than the first world country, You know what say? It look like between me and Uno. You know what say? It look like all these things notice. In the black people country, they go in and use it, and I use it first. I test it out, And that them are there, test out these things in the black country. Lord Jesus. And the way how Andrew Wallace and Christopher Tufton and Horace Changson enough and little bit on me case, them fall for everything as long as money there. Remember say anywhere money there, Andrew there. Remember, anywhere money there, Andrew there. My wisdom warriors, what are we really doing with AI-powered ultrasound machine? What we are doing with this? Like literally, may I ask, what are we doing with this? They don't even know if you use oxygen machine. Listen, and I mean say so, and them say so. The people them donate too much oxygen machine, my wisdom warriors. Remember good, during pandemic, rotted wall. And then can't find parts. They don't know if you get parts for buy, and they don't know how to work the machine. And them come out and say that. And say they weren't trained, but yes, then stand up and collect everything. And boast about it. And then park it. Jesus mercy. I don't know what I do with that. I hope you can use it. I hope you understand it. I hope you understand it. I hope you don't make no mistake, no wrong diagnosis. Lord Jesus, I don't even want to think about it. My wisdom warriors, I don't even want to think about it. Because it seems to me, as I mentioned before, it seems to me they might do the test in the Caribbean country first. They might test them out. They might test it out, pan. You see, all them have all them robots in there. Go in Africa and you will see. You will see. Jesus. Me don't know about you. See, through Jamaica, licky. They licky your fat. And you want to say licky bad. Oh, yes enough. Him are always the first one. My wisdom warriors, notice. Out of every Caribbean country, Andrew Wellness, Jamaica is always the first one get up and put up them hand. Always. I say, see me here, on a contest it power. Always. Boy, they must know still, They must know. Opposition spokesperson on culture Deborah Hicklin Garden has declared the recent meeting between People's National Party PNP, President Mark Golding, and all the Maroon chiefs as a signal of the amicable relationship that a future PNP administration intends to foster with Maroons. The meeting held on Wednesday was led by chairman of the Yame Council of Indigenous Leaders and attorney-at-law Dr. Marcus Goff, and included leaders of the 5 Maroon communities and the representative of Tainos in Jamaica. My wisdom warriors, the opposition indigenous groups pledge to work together. Andrew Wellness, you see these people, these Maroons that come and visit Mark Golding, they are the real Maroons. The Maroons were on a bring come in a phone conference. Them are not the real Maroons. Hey, my wisdom warriors. You don't remember? They have some fake Maroon coming and for them conference, but Lord Jesus, me I feel laughing now when me see it. And then when me look, a Chief Curry that me see post on the page say, those are not the real Maroons. Those are the fake ones. Me laugh until my wake. Me say, Lord Jesus. Seriously? So, Andrew Wellness, these people are the real Maroons. If you never know, these people are the real Maroons. The one them will come and pay Mark Golding a visit. Yes, Them are the indigenous people. Well, all of us are indigenous people. But me just make you know, Andrew honest. Stop pay people for come on a conference. Stop it. No, sir. Stop it, man. What the people them want a justice, you know? What the people them want a justice, if you never know that. If you never know that. Justice the people them want in the country. Justice. You're out here pay people 5,000, 3,000, 2,000. For a conference. Rotted boy. My wisdom warriors, me have to show off on them, you know. Me have to show off on them. See? All the Maroon chiefs as a signal of the amicable relationship that a future PNP administration intends to foster with the Maroons. And guess what? As I said before, the meeting was held on Wednesday and it was led by the chairman of the Yami Council of Indigenous Leaders and Attorney at Law. And 5 Maroon communities, leaders of 5 Maroon communities pay Mark Golden a visit. So these are the real Maroons and Joelness. Stop pay people about to come and hold up flag. Ain't about now Maroon. Hey, on a wicked, you know? On a Jamaica Labour Party. On a wicked bad. Hey, on a liar than thief, you know. Nobody no want those spot on there. Me afraid of uno like a puss. Me afraid of them in my wisdom warriors. Hey, me no want to go next to no Labour right. Them too wicked, man. Them too wicked and stay bad and so and dry up. They are a set of dry bones. Mighty God, they are a set of dry bones. These Jamaica Labour Party, Labour writer, what them call themselves, them a dry bone. You never read it in the Bible about dry bones? That is the Labour Party. Dry bones. Nothing but a dry bone. The parliamentary opposition is calling for Prime Minister Andrew Holness to give up ministerial oversight of critical government agencies dealing with real estate amid conflict of interest concerns. The demand follows Tuesday's release of an Integrity Commission report which alleges that Estate Bridge Holdings Limited, a company associated with its business partner, breached a permit by building more rooms than allowed at an apartment complex at 2-way Cliff Close, Beverly Hills in St. Andrew. So when I hear my wisdom warriors, because when I come off of this, you know, PNP is urging Prime Minister Holness to relinquish oversight of government entities dealing with real estate. And Holness have a whole of them something in him office. I don't understand. Everything you have in your office. Up to water, up to National Water Commission you have in your office. Why everything we have to deal with money in your office? And that me would I like to know. You know see what I want my wisdom warriors? NEPA. Deal. I don't know what else to say. I don't know if Jamaican people now say what is going on. Everything are exposed in our very eye. Everything. You don't listen to Andrew Holness. I hear him come out and talk about, oh, he's not the owner. I am the owner. Make him go away. He is the owner, my wisdom warriors. A long time people are investigating him. So you just listen, we are all Jamaicans. You understand? And we know all the things that are ready. You see, when people do money laundering, just like you have enough dogs, man. Yeah, me have to say it like that. You have enough drugs. Yeah? Man. Yeah? What them always do? What them always do, my people? They always put things in a people name, don't it? Right. Same thing this one here do. Don't make him trick on no. You hear me? Don't make him trick on no. He is playing a game. A game Andrew Holness a play. Wanna hear me? Game him a play. And it's true this government come up with this thing about defamation and stuff like that. Yeah, people can say this and that. Even though we all know, you know. We all know say him are the owner. Let me just use it allege. Yeah, let me just use the term allege because the rate where him a go, hey, my wisdom warriors, the rate where him a go as a prime minister, he will do anything. So let me just use the term allege. Yeah, Basically, him say him is not the owner, but there's allegations out there. It is alleged that him are the owner for everything, and him oversee everything. You think so we are idiots? Andrew, we are not idiot. You know, so we are all Jamaicans, and we know all the things set. You know all the things set. We know the things set. And listen, the Jamaican people only know how the things set. Now make Andrew Wallace country, you know. Andrew Wallace a big investor in a Jamaica. That's why I'm a bill. Me telling you all the time, a long time, me I tell you about this. Yeah, he's a real estate developer, him and his wife. You know here, land agency, him a oversee the land agency. Land title, him a oversee. What? And then you say, uno labor right? You say, uno minister of the Jamaica Labour Party? Uno frig up. Yeah, uno. Because when we come out and we are talk, and we are call up Andrew Wallace's name, and I say, why Andrew Wallace not do this? Why Andrew Wallace not do that? Uno say, I know Andrew Wallace responsible for that area. So how all of these area in a him portfolio? How comes? How comes? Uno labor right supporter too. Uno want next one. Uno is a next one. Uno know what go on, you know. Uno know what go on. Uno read it or uno know what is going on. Andrew Wallace, you just got caught. You got caught. And you have to stop discredit the IC. You have to stop it. Just because them not tell lie for you. Just because they not cover up for you. Them are the worst in your eyes. You have to stop it. You is a wicked man. You have to stop it now. I want you to get prosecuted, you see? I said I want you to get prosecuted, you see? Jano, my wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My people, me want to run go over to my other channel, subscribe and get me to 5K. Tell a friend about Atafa the Press. And if you want to join the WhatsApp group, all you have to do is text yes to 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.